Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about structuring data in XML, part of Web Technologies course. Structuring data in XML involves organizing the elements and attributes in a logical and meaningful way. There are several best practices and guidelines that can be followed when structuring data in XML. Use meaningful element and attribute names. Element and attribute names should be descriptive and self-explanatory so that the meaning of the data is clear to both humans and machines. Use a consistent structure. The structure of the XML document should be consistent throughout, with similar elements and attributes used in similar contexts. This makes it easier to understand and process the data. Use a hierarchical structure. The hierarchical structure of XML allows for a clear organization of the data with parent elements containing child elements. This allows for a clear representation of the relationships between different pieces of data. Use attributes sparingly. Attributes are useful for providing additional information about an element, but they should be used sparingly. If an element contains a lot of information, it is better to use child elements instead of attributes. Avoid redundancy. Avoid repeating the same information multiple times in the XML document, as this can make the data difficult to understand and process. Use a schema. Using a schema such as an XML schema or DTD can help ensure the structure and content of the XML document is consistent and predictable. Keep it simple. Keep the structure of the XML document as simple as possible so that it is easy to understand and process. By following these guidelines, you can structure your data in a way that is clear, consistent, and easy to understand and process, which will make it more useful and valuable for both humans and machines. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.